Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve can start your camera with the error code 0xA00F29E in Windows 11 computer. So this error won't allow your camera to work properly, and one of the common reasons is outdated or corrupted camera drivers, which can lead to communications failures between the hardware and the operating system. Issues with the app permissions, particularly if the camera app, other software lacks proper access right. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to check camera app permission settings. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings and i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu and select mo lang dito yung privacy and security. So click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And then under dito sa app permissions ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung camera. Okay? So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa camera settings, so kailangan lang natin i-check yung camera access. So dapat naka-turn on ito. Okay? So dito lang sa right side makikita mo dito yung turn on and off button niya. So kapag naka-turn up siya, so kailangan mo lang i-turn on. And then dito sa kanyang let apps access your camera, and then kailangan naka-turn on dito mga kaibigan. And same naman dito sa mga apps po dito. Alright, so after dito, and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to repair and reset camera app. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings and i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu and select mo lang dito yung apps. At dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung installed apps. So i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa installed apps at dito sa search apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type yung camera. And then automatic mga kaibigan na mag-a-appear ka agad dito. So dito lang sa right side makikita mo dito yung tatlong dot. So kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And then select mo lang dito yung advanced option. And then next step, so scroll down. And then dito lang sa reset, so kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung repair. If this app isn't working right, so we can try to repair it. So i-click mo lang dito yung repair. And wait natin na ma-complete yung repair process. And then, repair process complete. And the next step, so if this app is still isn't working right, so kailangan mo na itong i-reset kung still lagi error pa rin. Okay? So, i-click mo lang dito yung reset. And then, this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So, i-click mo lang dito yung reset. And wait natin ma-complete yung reset process. And then once na-complete na tong reset settings dito, and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to update the camera driver. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on the search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung device manager, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa device manager ang next step, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung cameras, and then i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand, and then kailangan lang i-update itong ating camera driver. So kung paano ba yan i-update, so select mo lang siya and then right click and select mo lang dito yung update driver. And then may dalawang option dito na pwede natin gawin na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer, and then itap mo lang tong search automatically and wait natin. And then the best drivers for your device are already installed. So after dito sa device manager, and then ang next step, so dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix can start your camera with the error code 0xA00F429A and Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.